How do you actually set up a test account in WooCommerce with Stripe? Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, my website, I'm actually now in test mode, like this, in test mode. For live Stripe, right, you have this thing is actually disabled. So to enable it, right, you need to actually your live account status. When it's live, it will show that's live with your name over here. They call it just, you need to click on this connect. Okay, disconnect your live account, and then basically you connect to a live account is this. Now we want to connect to a test account to test your credit card. So temporary credit card from Stripe, right? Some test cards to see whether your website is working well for your online shopping sales. So WooCommerce Stripe has this function where you can actually test the credit card for Stripes. Okay, now the test mode is set up, and then you can use a test card over here. So some test cards over here from credit card, debit card, MasterCard, say Amex, Discover, all the cards even have country. So you can use any of this random cards with this any 3-digit CVC, any date. You can just enter your own, and then you just copy any of these cards. Just click on this copy, then just paste to test it over here. So you can also test the different country credit card as well, or this credit card. Okay, you can set all the details are here. So for sandbox testings, okay, so yeah, then I'm going to go to my site there. I'm going to show you how to actually test the let's test this YouTube marketing course, whether the credit card is working, the test credit card is working. Then proceed to test checkout. So we're now in the checkout page. Okay, some random data of the customer profile, and then you enter your credit card. You can put any of the credit cards number here. Choose any of them, for example this, and then you just paste the card test mode and put any random number. Okay, any number as any expiry date, and then you just take this and place order. Let's see, is it working? Okay, there you go. So your order has been received. This is a successful demo, or yeah, showing that the checkout is successful, or test of your website is working. Okay, the website is working.